it, Aloha gang? We're back over here at City Mill with more do-it-yourself projects. We've got Stu Suster with us today. We're going to be focusing on drywall. Right, Stu? How does that all work?
So today for the drywall, we're going to focus on patching. We're going to be patching medium-sized holes, large holes, and small pinholes that you would get in the wall.
Impact happens all the time, so where do we start?
When doing patching, first you got to see what kind of hole we have. For example, we have a very small hole, probably from a nail, probably put up a poster, you took it off. All you need is some spackling and a putty knife.
There's different types of spackle, right?
Yes. The first thing you'll notice for spackling paste, kind of heavy.
Very heavy.
Now, we also have this spackling paste. This one is a lot lighter.
Super light. How come? Why is that?
This is what we call gravity-proof spackle. A little patch job in the ceiling, you put that on, it's going to keep it from falling right back down.
Gotcha. So different spackles go in different areas.
Yep.
Okay.
Today we're going to be using this one here. Goes on pink, and when it's done, it'll dry white just like this guy right here.
Wow.
Now, what you want to do is after it dries up, you're going to want to sand it down real smooth with a sanding sponge, medium or fine grit, or with sandpaper. If you're going to be doing a lot of sanding, definitely get a whole sheet.
Smoothing it out, right?
Yeah, we're just going to make it as smooth as we can before we apply anything like wall texture or primer to it.
What's the consistency we're looking for? Once this thing is pretty much all smooth and ready to go, huh?
Yeah, once it's all smooth, we can go ahead. You want to wipe up any dust that's still on the wall, then we're going to go ahead. We can put wall texture, and then we can prime it. Now, let's say you have about golf ball size. First thing you're going to need, some drywall tape.
Now, what's the difference with the tape and the spackle? Why tape this one and not use spackle?
This needs more of a backing. With medium-sized holes like this, we're going to go ahead and get some drywall tape on there. It really depends on the size of the hole.
Gotcha.
If it's wider than this, you just double it up. So now, we can go ahead and put spackling right over that hole.
The spackling really it's like a consistency like cream cheese.
Get it on there, you can be generous with it. Anything that's left over, put it right back to the tub. You can go as far as you want because when you go ahead and do the repaint, it'll cover it all up.
Whoa, look at the back.
Yeah, it kind of came out like Play-Doh, yeah. So now that's our backing, and it's going to help hold on to the rest of the drywall. Actually, you'll sand it, making sure we match up the wall texture. Because if you were to just prime over this, what would happen is there would be an inconsistency of the textures on the wall. So you put this on there, then you prime. Make sure you're at least about 8 inches away, and you're just going to go ahead. Spray it on there. It's going to look all messy, but that's what we want. Make sure you go over a couple times. You let it dry for at least 2 hours. Give it a touch.
Okay, gotcha. Now, Stu, if people have questions or stuff, or they come in, they actually have pictures of some of the patch jobs inside their house. Can they come down here and ask you guys about it?
Oh, definitely, yeah. Come to any one of our 8 City Mill locations and we'll help you.
There you go. For more do-it-yourself projects, try check City Mill. We'll have all this up at hinowdaily.com.